guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amy Special as usual. So if this is your first time on my channel, thank you for clicking. Please consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys are the best. Yeah, so if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Abiodun, but friends call me AB. I'm a Nigerian but currently in the Philippines. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, today's video is unboxing. I don't know why I keep buying things, and the annoying part of it is the more I buy, I still don't feel satisfied. I still feel there are some things that are left out that I'm not buying. Like, I'm tired of buying. At this point, I think I'm going to uninstall Lazada on my phone, because the rate at which I'm ordering things now, myself, I don't understand. But anyways, let me show you guys what I have here today. I have 3. This one is looking small. I have 3. This is 2, and this is the 3rd one. Yeah. So I'm going to start from the smaller one, which is this one. I guess it's concealer. I told you guys this year I'm going to be doing makeup. Don't worry, very soon you will see me all glammed up. I hope so. That's how I'll say that I might end up not doing it. Okay, this is, what's this? Yeah, okay. This is the did I just say foundation? This is the concealer. I got 2 shades. This is a little bit, yeah, you can. This is a little bit brighter, and this is the darker one for contour. Yeah. So that's it. Then the second one is written fragile. I think it's because of the container in it. That's why. Let me take this camera down a little so that you can be seeing it. Yeah, so this is the second one. There's a note in it. What's this? Oh, sellers. Oh my god, I hate like opening stuff that are packed like this. It's so stressful. Okay. Who can guess what is inside this? Oh my god, I just keep buying and buying and buying. Oh, may the Lord help my soul. Okay, this is shea butter, unrefined, best before June 2022. I don't know if you, yep, call it, oh shit, yeah, shea butter. I got this for my skin. I don't know why, like, my skin is so, like, what did I just say? My skin is so dry, so I had to get shea butter. I want to mix it with other things and start rubbing, because using only oil, after some times it just goes back dry. So I want to do some mixtures. So that's it. This is, let me check. I think this is a container. I never knew the shea butter will come like this. I thought they would just pack it in a plastic bag. If I had known that it would come with this, I wouldn't have bothered buying this. But anyways, it's all good. I think when I mix it with other stuff, then it will come up a little. Then it might not contain the jar is not even that big. Yeah, this is it. I bought it so after mixing the body wherever. The products, I'm going to put it here. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to do my mixture today. I'm going to, after this video, I'm going to the mall to get other things I need for this my body cream, because man, I've tried a lot of cream and at the end of the day, when I rub it, before I even step out of my door, my body is as if I did not rub anything. So as of now, what I rub is just coconut oil. Like, I rub coconut oil, but still, there's this, I'm not enjoying my skin the way I want. The coconut oil is working fine, like, but still, it's still kind of dry. Then this is the last one. This is ring light and yoga mats. I want to start my morning workout routine back now, since I have my own place. I will not be shy that anybody is looking at me or anything. So I got this yoga mat. Oh my god. Oh, the people that are packing this thing, make them feel good. I like playing with this thing. Oh my god. Anybody, don't come and form big boy or big girl here. You used to play with this thing back. Enough of the play. Let's get back to business. Come out now. Man is paying me already. Yeah. So this is the yoga mat. This is it. Essential to an effective yoga section is a mat you can rely on. Designed for yoga, the yoga mat ensures a safe, comfortable yoga practice by helping you support your body, maintain correct alignment, and hold posture firmly. Now you can release tension, surrender to the pose, and allow the power of yoga to work for you. Made in China. Yeah. So we are going to launch this tomorrow. Then lastly, we have ring lights. I don't know, I've been saying this before, my room is dark. It's actually a little bright now because I had to open the curtain, but with the curtain closed, my room is really dark, and I don't like opening my curtain considering the fact that I'm close to the road and the noise. I know you've been hearing vehicles passing. So what's this? Please, can somebody tell me what did I buy? It's looking like selfie stick. It's looking like selfie stick. Oh my god. I'm confused. What's going on? I think I will have to fix this here. I don't understand. Hey! Voila. Okay. I think this is if you're going out and you need it, you can use this as a selfie stick with your ring light. Okay, now I get. Then this is if you want to stay at home. No, but if this is if you want to stay at home, then there's no way to increase the length. Okay, this is the stand. Then I think this will go here like this. That's if you're indoor. Yeah, this is it. Then okay, how far can you go? Is this it? It's not even okay. It is. I think that's all. That's all. It's not that bad. Then there's this for holding the ring lights on the stand. Where goes it? Hey, I'm confused. Okay, yeah. Then okay, I got it. Then what's this side? Oh, like I don't understand what this side is for right now. Or is it that the ring light is side? Let me see. I'm confused. Is it that it's going to be like this? It can be. Or, okay, it's going to be like this. Hey! I don't buy wahala. I'll figure it out later. I'm going to figure it out later. So for now, hey, I never use you, I don't break you. So for now, this is where I'm going to end this video. See you guys in my next one. If you watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Let me test this thing if it's working. If you watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, and share. Turn on your notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. I want to test it now. These people, they did not even give me charging head. Stingy people. Okay, we now have ring lights. The problem is fixing it. It's nice. Let's change it. Okay. Bye. See you guys in my next one. For those of you that are complaining that I don't really do makeup, if you want to see me do a get ready with me with my normal look, or a get ready with me with applying a little makeup, just comment down below. So anyway, see you guys in my next one. Bye. Kiss kiss. I love you.